C3 in here at Unique, especially in classics. This one's a 1969 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Black on black. Big block power underneath the hood, 454. 4-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the chrome up front. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Yes, you're going to notice this big block hood, the 427 badging on it, 454. You'll be able to see the casting on the engine if you'd like to see that in the still pictures. Riding on nice slotted wheels. Chevrolet center caps, beauty rings, Goodyear Eagle radials. You can also see side pipes added. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Paint shows well in this one. You can see it has a nice shine to it. It's black. You will find a touch-up spot here, maybe a very light scratch there, but overall you can see paint has a nice shine to it. This car is going to turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Of course, bucket seat interior, center console. There's that 4-speed. We'll check out the convertible top too, of course, manual convertible top on a C3. I'll show you how that folds up, very simple. Check out the condition of that. As usual, Jason will take you for a drive at the end of the video, show how it goes down the road. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the chrome and the rear bumpers look good. And once again, underside pics, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look down this driver's side. If you like Corvettes, whether it's C3s, first gen, C8s, C4s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can see the reflection of the cars in the back wall behind me. This door does shut nice and tight. I was just in it a second ago. There you get an idea. We'll start it up, let's hear it run, take a peek at the engine bay. A couple things, we'll try the headlights out, show you that those work. The windshield wiper door opens. Tech noted the windshield wipers did not work. A little heads up on that. Door panel looks good. About the seating surfaces. Seating surfaces looking good. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Tack is working. Notice it looks like the replacement panel here as far as fiber optics, and the tech also noted the radio did not power up. We check out the gauges. This is a seat belt light, just so you're aware of that. That was a cold start, so we're going to let it warm up here just a little bit. Looks like oil pressure gauge is working, battery, and fuel gauge. Give you an idea how it sounds. How about those headlights? Headlights in working order. MSD HEI ignition, Edelbrock intake manifold, Holley 4-barrel. Idea how that engine bay looks. You'll be able to see that in the stow pictures too. They're a pretty smooth runner. Sounds like a big block, no doubt about that. All right, let me pause this a second, get the tripod set up. We'll check out this convertible top. I'll show you how that works, and we'll take a peek at the condition. As you can see, pretty easy to fold up that convertible top, latch it, nice tight fit above the windshield. Rolled up the side glass, as you can see too, so you see how that fits. This looks like practically new top. Hasn't been used much, I'll tell you that. Still have a tag right there on it. I'll leave it on if the new owner wants to remove that. Nice rubber gaskets down below. Passenger side glass looks good. And again, around to the front. No surprises on the top. Functions as it should. I can show it folded back down too. Just basically the reverse of what I just did. 1969 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Has that 454 underneath the hood. 4-speed. Call us 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. And that phone number, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. I'll show it getting folded back down into the storage area, and Jason will take it for a drive after that.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1969 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a convertible, and we do have the top up today. Black paint, black top, black interior. Very nice looking car. and a strong runner. Great acceleration from this car. Speedometer appears to be working. The tachometer on the right also working. Fuel gauge showing almost a full tank. The water temperature is about 180. The clock is ticking, showing me the minutes. Very cool. Oil pressure about 50. It's 3/4 of the way up the gauge. And the battery is charging over halfway on the gauge. Of course, a little bit of wind whistling on the top of a convertible 1969 Corvette, but not too bad. It is a windy day today. Factory looking bucket seats. Very comfortable in this car. Looks like the steering wheel is slightly tilted to the right, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Blower motor works on this car. Brakes are working as they should. Very nice rumble coming out of this exhaust on this Corvette. Be sure to look at all the pictures and learn everything you want to know about this 69 Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.